Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome here if you're new. Today's video I'm doing a haul on my doTERRA haul. doTERRA is an online shop that you can buy essential oils and many other different things. As you guys can tell by watching my videos, if you watch several, I'm obsessed with essential oils. I looked at the different sets and I decided to purchase a enrollment kit. So in my haul today, I'm just going to show you everything that I got at my enrollment kit. Please like this video if you like it. Comment below if you want me to review anything. Also comment if you've tried doTERRA products and what stuff you recommend, because I'd love to try it too. And I'll go through what I got. I'll tell you a review on the stuff that I've used and just a first impression on the other things that I haven't used. So the first thing, this is my kit. It's huge, my enrollment kit, and it's called the Natural Solutions Enrollment Kit by doTERRA. So I'll just go through what I got and I'll link everything underneath if you're interested. So the first thing that I got is this doTERRA Deep Blue Rub Lotion, which is supposed to be the equivalent to like Tire Balm or something that you can put on sore muscles or injuries or anything. And I've used this and I really like it. It's a really strong tingling peppermint and it really does help with pain and tightness, and it's really like cooling and then hot. Like I just really enjoy it, and you only need the littlest amount, so I'm really happy with that so far. The next thing is the smoothing conditioner. It says it's safe for color treated hair, and it's doTERRA Salon Essentials with a proprietary essential oil blend for healthy hair. So I'm excited to try that. It's a huge bottle too. And then next is the Protecting Shampoo, which is again color safe and it keeps hair looking clean and healthy. It is made with the essential oils of wild orange and lime. So excited to try that. The next is this Past Tense Essential Oil Blend. So it's like a roller with essential oils in it. It says doTERRA Correct X is a moisturizing ointment made with natural ingredients based on CPTG essential oils to improve the appearance of various skin imperfections. So I guess it's like a ointment for your face, I'm guessing. I have to try that. And then next is the Fractionated Coconut Oil. So from what the lady was telling me is you can mix your drops of essential oil with fractionated coconut oil, and then you can apply it to your skin directly, or you can make your own rollers and then you have it like to go roll on with you. So I'm excited to try that. So this is the TerraZyme. It's like a digestive enzyme that they have. Next is the Micro Plex vitamins, so it's just a multivitamin that they have. Next is the Alpha CRS, and it's just an antioxidant. Next is their omega-3. It also came with a booklet that just gives you details on all the essential oils. Sorry, I just have the packaging in the back because it was getting too in the way. Next is the On Guard Foaming Hand Wash with 2 dispensers. Next is the doTERRA Peppermint Beadlets, which are just pretty much like little beadlets of essential oil that you can use in replace of breath mints. And then next is their On Guard Whitening Toothpaste. So this is really interesting. I don't think I've ever tried a natural toothpaste actually, so I'm excited to try that. And with this diffuser, I think it's called like the Lumio diffuser, and I've been using this and really loving it. It has 3 different settings, 2 hours, 5 hours, 10 hours, and also just the white light, and then another option that is different color lights that keep changing. And I've really noticed a big difference because I've had diffusers forever. It blows so much of the air, like you can see it coming out and you can smell it so good. It really is misting, and if you're sitting by it, it's even like cooling and stuff too, so it's really nice. So I've been loving that so much. And then it came with this bamboo box that you can store your oils in. So I've been storing my oils in here, and I've already diffused a few of them. So I'll just kind of go through, they smell so good. So this is the box here. So the first oil is Balance Essential Oil. And as you can see, they're 15 mils, so they're a lot bigger than like the normal 10 mils that you usually get online. And Balance, I've been diffusing several times. I love it. It literally smells like a spa, and only, I would say 5 to 6 drops is all you need depending on the oil. Some of them are stronger, so you need even less. So this one I'd probably do like 5 or 6, and it smells so good and it lasts so long in the diffuser, like at least 5 hours. Sometimes you can even add water and diffuse it again. And you can really smell the difference in the air compared to other oils. Like, it's just really clean and easy to breathe in. It doesn't feel heavy or perfumey or artificial or anything like that. So I'm super impressed with the oils, to be honest. Next is the On Guard. This one's supposed to be good if you're sick, I think. Balance is kind of a relaxing one. Love that. Easy Air is good for respiratory. Haven't used that one yet. Wild Orange is oranges and citruses are just good for uplifting your mood. Haven't tried that one yet. Serenity, another calming one. Love this one. It smells so good. It's, again, very spa-like. It's a mixture. Some are mixtures and some are just the plain oil. This one is Aroma Touch. Haven't tried that one yet. This one's Lemon. Haven't used this one yet. This one is Tea Tree. Tea Tree's perfect if someone in your house is sick. Or if it's just like cold or flu season. Also good for cleaning. Zen Just is supposed to be one that's good for digestion. Haven't used that one yet. And frankincense has a lot of benefits, and it's usually quite expensive, so it's nice that they included it in this kit. Peppermint is good for headaches, also digestion. And lavender is my favorite essential oil ever. That's how I got into essential oils, is just by starting with lavender first. So I really enjoy these oils from what I've tried so far. This is the box. I love the box. I love the kit. I feel like if you're just new to sign up type thing, you're probably better off getting a kit, because you get so much more for your money rather than paying individually. From what I've tried, I've really, really liked what I've tried. I'll link it below if you're interested. And if there's something you see in this haul that you want me to try or review, please let me know. If you like essential oils, if you like these kind of videos, because I know it's not technically beauty, like there's some beauty stuff in it, but essential oils have a lot of beauty uses too, so I could do some videos on that if you guys were interested. But essential oils are just a big part of my life, so I wanted to do a video on it because they have a lot of health benefits. They can also be very calming and have all different sorts of benefits. And I've been diffusing oils for years. So, and you'll see on my channel, I have essential oils in like almost every other video. So it's nothing new for me, but I am really noticing a big difference in the quality with the doTERRA oils. Like, they're really good. So I would recommend what I've tried so far. All the other stuff, I'll have to try it and let you guys know first. But please like this video if you liked it. Comment below what you want me to try or what you've tried from doTERRA. What would you recommend? What do you use your oils for? Anything, any suggestions you have, I'd love to try it. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll be posting every week, and I'll see you really soon in my next video. Thank you so much, and have a great day and a great summer.